Don't miss this beautiful Valley Mede rancher. Exquisitely updated and so spacious, this home sits on a lush 0.49-acre lot, boasting a variety of mature plants and trees to delight the eye. Fully finished lower level adds so much extra living space with a walkout family room, generous laundry area and storage room plus 2 large bonus rooms. And don't miss the hot tub with seating for 8 and an enclosed space for added enjoyment. Sliders off of the dining room lead to the spacious rear deck with excellent views of the entire lot. The interior of the home has refinished hardwood flooring, 2019, a spectacular gourmet kitchen, updated 2019, with granite counters and huge island with seating, above and below cabinet lighting, stainless steel appliances and loads of storage space. Other cellar updates include the beautiful cedar shake vinyl siding, 2015, HVAC, 2016, roof, 2019, water heater, 2020. Great location. Excellent quality. Not to be missed.